Good morning, students. Today, our topic is bone injuries and their management. So, children, what is fracture? How to identify that bone is broken? What kind of first aid can be given? How bone injuries can be prevented? How regular physical activities helps in making bone strong? So, children, what is fracture? In this injury, bone breaks up some external pressure. There are many slight breakage or complete breakage. There are many types of fracture: closed fracture, open fracture, complete fracture, incomplete fracture. So many types of fractures are there. So, what kind of first aid can be given? So, children, listen here. What kind of first aid? When you broke your bone, when you have broken your bone, तो पहले क्या करना है? Do not move the joint or bone. The victim should be kept at comfortable position. The second, apply cold pack or ice pack to reduce pain, swelling or internal bleeding. The third point is provide support by using a split bandage. The fourth point is patient should be handled by expert doctor and x-ray and their diagnosis should be done properly. The expert should manage immobility by applying plaster so to enable the joint to take as a real position. So this kind of first aid you can use. So next point is fifth point. For the first aid you will learn this mobility should be for 3 to 6 weeks as per expert advice. मतलब मोबिलिटी इमोबिलिटी मतलब उसको जॉइंट्स को हिलाना नहीं है, एक जगह फिक्स करके रखना है. इफ़ योर फ्रैक्चर इज देयर तो यू दिस मतलब फर्स्ट एड यू कैन गिव. So after full treatment, the next point is after full treatment of the dislocated joint or bone, fracture follows a progressive rehabilitation exercise. You can physiotherapies. जब भी आपका बोन फ्रैक्चर होने के बाद 3 to 6 days के वीक्स के बाद डिपेंड ऑन आपको कैसा सीवियर पेन हो रहा है कि नहीं, ठीक हो रहा है कि नहीं, उसके बाद आपने उस मसल की स्ट्रेंथनिंग करना है. स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ जॉइंट और बोन अंडर द ऑब्जर्वेशन ऑफ एक्सपर्ट. तो ये सब बातें ध्यान रखनी है. दिस फर्स्ट एड यू कैन गिव. So children, how bone injuries can be prevented? So how bone injuries can be prevented? So first we will learn about warm up. Before playing any game, you do warm up, proper warm up your body. Okay, proper concentration. When you're playing a game, you should have full concentration. Okay, safety guards. Always use safety guards when you're playing the game. Another point is follow the rules and regulation. If you follow the rules and regulation, then you will not get hurt. Balanced diet and good posture. Your posture should be good and balanced. Okay. Safe. Another point is proper training method you should follow. So these are the you can take preventive steps. So why bone injuries are happen? Because of lack of fitness. Less physical activity may cause injury or accident. Okay, poor concentration while playing. These are the main drawback. Overstress or tension. Not performing warming up. I told you earlier, not performing warming up is the main cause of injuries. So you can prevent injuries by doing warming up. Faulty skill action. You can when you are playing, you have to follow the rules. Aggression and violence is also one of the main causes of injuries. Poor play field. Okay, these are many factors. And wrong training method, wrong treatment of injury. How regular physical activity help in making bones strong? If you do regular physical activity and take proper nutrition, your muscle will develop. And जो भी जैसे एग्जांपल आई विल गिव एन एग्जांपल ऑफ शोल्डर मसल. जब हमारा शोल्डर मसल के अराउंड there are three muscles, main muscles: anterior, posterior, and next is anterior, posterior and मिडल डेल्टॉइड। तो आपकी अगर स्ट्रॉन्ग है तो यू आपका जो जॉइंट है, शोल्डर जॉइंट है, वो अच्छी तरह स्ट्रॉन्ग रहेगा, ठीक है, क्योंकि बोन को संभालता है। इफ़ यू हैव गुड मसल, गुड अमाउंट ऑफ मसल, ठीक है, बिकॉज शोल्डर जॉइंट जल्दी डिसलोकेट होता है। और अपना ये एल्बो जॉइंट, वाई दिस जॉइंट डिसलोकेट? बिकॉज दिस आर द नॉन वेट बेरिंग जॉइंट। नॉन वेट बेरिंग जॉइंट मीन्स हम जिसमें अब वेट बेयर नहीं करते। हिप जॉइंट इज वन ऑफ द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट जॉइंट, ये वेट बेयर नहीं करता, ये वेट बेयर करता है पूरी बॉडी का। नी जॉइंट इज वन ऑफ द एग्जांपल ऑफ वेट बेरिंग जॉइंट। सो शोल्डर एंड दिस elbow joint is non weight bearing joint. So you can do physical activities to develop your muscle like body weight exercise, do proper stretching after workout, okay, and follow the correct nutrition, okay. So next, development of correct posture. So why it is important to make correct posture? Why it is important to make good posture during growing age? Posture defects caused by lack of awareness. So why it is important to make correct posture? If you don't have good posture, you will not look good. If you carry extra amount of fat in your body, that fat will give shapeless, मतलब आपकी बॉडी को शेपलेस करेगा। आप जब कोई गेम्स खेल लो तो इंजरी के चांसेस ज़्यादा बढ़ जाते हैं। बट वी वांट मसल, if you have good amount of muscle, then your body will look good and you will feel active. But fat is, जो फैट रहता है हमारी बॉडी में स्टोर्ड होने के लिए ज़्यादा जगह लगाता है, मतलब स्पेस ज़्यादा करता है। वहीं मसल की बात करेंगे, मसल इज शेप, इट हैज़ कॉम्पैक्ट, मतलब शेप है मसल को। हर मसल, जैसे बाइसेप्स का आप शेप देखोगे, आप फ्लेक्स करोगे बाइसेप्स में तो बाइसेप्स एक शेप में दिखेगा, वैसे ही हर मसल को एक शेप दिया गया है। तो it is important to make correct posture when you are growing age. So you have to do, if you want to do proper, if अगर आपको प्रॉपर फिजिक डेवलपमेंट करना है तो उसके लिए आपको एक प्रॉपर बैलेंस न्यूट्रिशन और प्रॉपर एक्सरसाइज करना पड़ेगा, ठीक है। So posture defect caused by lack of awareness. So there are many posture defect like scoliosis, kyphosis. These are the side effects you can develop. Okay, that's all for the now. Goodbye and take care.